Hey, this is Greg. Welcome back to the channel. We got a special treat for you today. Krispy Kreme donuts here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I think you're going to really like it. Stay tuned. Well, it's a happy St. Patrick's Day today in Charlotte, and I am here at Krispy Kreme Donuts just to take a look and see what they have for St. Patrick's Day. One of the things you notice unique about this Krispy Kreme Donuts is outside they actually have a vending machine. Now Krispy Kreme Donuts has about 1,600 locations in 33 countries, but I don't know if any of them have a vending machine outside of their store. So it's just really amazing that you can actually order donuts right from this vending machine. We're going to go inside now and take a look and see what they have inside. And they have the Hot Now sign, so we're going to see some cool donuts inside. Let's go. Check it out. This is interesting because they actually have green donuts coming off the belt this morning. How cool is that? You can see the St. Patrick's Day donuts right here in the conveyor belt. And then they're coming out on this end back over here. Go over here. They also have some kiosks that you can order from as well here in the lobby. See? All right. They're having a good time here today at Krispy Kreme. Some great merchandise here as well. Okay, I've got inside the car here just to get away from a lot of the outside noise. But let me just show you what I purchased today here at Krispy Kreme on St. Patrick's Day. Look at this. I've got a glazed green donut. I hope you can see this one in the middle. It is gold with gold dust on top. I just can't wait to try that one. And then I got a nice iced chocolate glaze with a leprechaun hat on top. So it's a great way that it was really crowded inside this morning, but hey, the people were having a lot of fun celebrating St. Patrick's Day. I've got a lot of pictures that I'm going to post with all the different green donuts that were available. So I hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day and just enjoy this video. And like I said, Krispy Kreme donuts, 1,600 locations in 33 countries. Really, really an awesome place to go for a fresh donut. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm back from the Krispy Kreme Donut Factory, and I am at home and on my green table. I'm going to open this box again to show you guys exactly what I got. And you can just see, I'm going to do this really up close. This chocolate glazed with a leprechaun hat. This beautiful gold sparkly donut filled with cream filling. And then the traditional glazed donut is today, because of St. Patrick's Day, is a glazed green donut. So that is what I'm about to try. I'm really looking forward to trying these out this morning. Hope you enjoy it. Look at this, it's green on the inside. Wow, it tastes awesome. I sure do hope you enjoyed this video. And please take time to subscribe today if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.